Kaivalyadhama hosted a grand celebration of yoga and art in Lonavala, that is the 𝐘𝐨𝐠𝐢𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐟 Mahotsav. Last year, 𝐘𝐨𝐿 Mahotsav marked one of the most important celebrations introduced to commemorate 100 years of Kaivalyadhama. In its second year, 𝐘𝐨𝐿 Mahotsav showcased an extraordinary blend of local talent unfolding into two competitions, that is the Yogi Chef and the Flow Dance. Yogi Chef, a culinary competition that embraced sattvic ahar, pure nourishing vegetarian food cooked with no onion or garlic. The Yogi Chefs brought different varieties ranging from corn pakoda, dahi vada, jowar upma, vegan food and so on. Thoughtful assessments were done by both the judges, Mr. Nanasingh Sehgal and Dr. Ritu Prasad. Delicious yet healthy food is something that Kaivalyadhama promotes. Mrs. Aati Shinde, Neelam Gurav and Urmila Sharma bagged the first three prizes, and Satvik Dhapate, a yummy Maharashtrian delicacy, being the winner dish. Flow Dance, a vibrant fusion of yogasanas, dance and music, invited participants in and around Lonavala. A total of 7 groups made to the finals after a process of shortlisting. Insightful evaluations were done by 2 judges, Mr. Surat Sarvate and Miss Himangi Boli. Flow Dance competition, part of the mega event on October 26, enthralled the audience with mesmerizing performances and vibrant energy. Real Rockers, Indrayani Sports Academy emerged to be the winners, bagging the first and second prize respectively, and Divine Life was awarded with the Flow Dance Excellence Award. 𝐘𝐿 Mahotsav truly brought the spirit of yoga, art and culture, showcasing the community spirit and exceptional talent. Here's the beautiful year ahead, keeping the essence of sattvic living and joyful expressions alive.